Google Backup and Sync and Google Drive, a quick overview. Are you confused about the best way to backup your files using Google? Let's break down the difference between Google Backup and Sync and Google Drive. In 2017, Google introduced Backup and Sync to allow users to back up photos, documents, and other files securely. This app works as a cloud backup, letting you upload safe copies of your files into Drive and Photos, so they aren't just on your computer. However, in late 2026, Google began transitioning users to the new Google Drive for desktop. This updated program is cloud-based, unlike Backup and Sync, which stored files locally. Drive for desktop automatically syncs all file types in your Google account, enabling seamless multi-person editing on shared documents. So, how do you back up your data to Google Drive? If you're familiar with Google Drive or the Drive app, accessing your created files on your computer's Drive for desktop is easy. The program allows you to mirror or stream your files, ensuring you can access your folders from any device. Mirroring stores all your files both in the cloud and on your computer, taking up hard drive space but keeping your files always accessible. On the other hand, streaming files are stored in the cloud, allowing you to save local space, but you'll need an internet connection to access some files unless you've made them available offline. Lastly, every Google Drive account starts with 15 gigabytes of free storage shared across Google Drive, Gmail, and Photos. Now that you understand the differences and capabilities, you can start managing your files more efficiently. Visit our website to learn more. Whatismyip.com